Hello, fellow skateboarders and longboarders. I'm going to make a video today, and this is all about. Let me get my longboard. Sorry. This is all about this longboard Carve 540 bird, Oxelo Carve 540 bird longboard. And the thing is, like, you see these screws over here. As I told earlier in my previous video, this longboard was advised for people who are under or just about 100 kgs, but I'm slightly overweight, maybe like 20 kgs more. But this board really withstood well. Even now, this is in very good condition. The thing is, like, I'm taking it as a precaution. This munade prepare panna vishayam now. As you see, you can see a couple of screws are punching inside the board itself, because as I am pumping, the overweight nala and these screws are actually punching in the board. Every time it is wiggling like this, and the screw is punching inside the board. So what I planned is, give me a second, I'm going to add a washer like this over under this screw, so that it doesn't hurt the board anymore. So now I'm gonna add a washer so that it full in the truck mounted in the 4 screws irukilla. Idu full dismantle பண்ணிட்டு இந்த இடம் ஃபுல்லா நம்ம washer போட்டுட்டு, இந்த washer even for the bottom side போட்டுட்டு we're going to test ride once. Okay, please. So as you see in the board you have many holes, actually pair of holes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 numbers irukku, pair of holes. So anala I could move this truck to any point actually. So I don't want to put the washer on the same hole. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift one hole back or either front. Adu endha convenient position la enakku nikkrappo irukkum thonudo. So I'm going to move it either one hole front or back. Appo the new hole set agum, new washers irukum, so that it will not punch in again. So that's my plan. So but number rear side pathona of the same Carve 540 longboard, bird longboard, we don't have multiple hole options on the rear side. So rear truck options kadayadu. So I might have to cut a little bit extra of this cushion out. Appodan the washer seat pandrathu comfortable ah irukum. Adha cut pannittu then I'll have to place the washers for this one. Idhila avlova I don't find any sort of punching in or any sort of damage at all, but as a precaution now I want to do this. Munadiye pannanumnu aasapadren. As you all know from my previous video, I bought this tool. This will help me dismantle this Carve 540 longboard. Inga oru Allen key irukku top la. So this idhiyum use pannum actually. So let's put this for a good use. What say you? Let's go. Hey guys, இப்போதான் one side முடிச்சேன். I just finished mounting one side. That is the front side of this Carve 540 board longboard. So you could see the old holes. These are the old spot. I moved it to the front. I did not move to the back. கொஞ்சம் ஃப்ரண்ட்டில் இருக்கட்டுமே அப்படி சொல்லிட்டு ஃப்ரண்ட்டில் வச்சுருக்கேன். And you can see the nut was actually going in, but it was not cracking the board. It was not cracking the board at all. The board is very stiff, and this is absolutely great board because the nuts were not cracking the board at all. So the board is very stiff and it's amazing and it's strong. So now it's going to be even more stronger because I'm adding these washers. So I hope it is taking my weight and it withstands my all the tortures that I'm going to put through. So let's do the other side. So guys, it's done. I have mounted all the washers for 8 screws that you find in the board. So appo sonna madri I have moved it one whole front. So the front la pannirukku. In the trucks la vandu inge mottum tools vechi konjam tight pandrathu kashtamama irundhu, but somehow I managed. Rear end la vandu cushions cut panna vendi irukonu nenachen. But cushions cut பண்ண அவசியமே தேவைப்படலை because the cushions were too soft. So when I kept enough tight, அதுவாகவே வந்து உள்ளே போயிடுச்சு, போர்டுக்குள்ளே போயிடுச்சு. ஸோ அதனால் I did not require anything at all. So it's done. Let's go give a first try. What say you? Peace.